Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are delving into a critical aspect of maintaining a robust anti-bribery management system, audits and assessments. Conducting thorough audits and assessments are vital steps to ensure that our organization is effectively preventing and addressing bribery risks. Let's explore the key components and benefits of anti-bribery audits and assessments. Importance of regular audits. First and foremost, let's understand why regular audits are essential. Anti-bribery audits provide a systematic and independent examination of our organization's anti-bribery management system. They help us identify vulnerabilities, assess the effectiveness of our controls, and ensure compliance with ISO 37001 and other relevant standards and regulations. Objectives of anti-bribery audits. When conducting anti-bribery audits, it's crucial to have clear objectives. These objectives typically include evaluating the implementation of anti-bribery policies, assessing the effectiveness of controls, verifying compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, and identifying opportunities for improvement in our anti-bribery measures. Preparing for an anti-bribery audit. Preparation is key to a successful anti-bribery audit. This involves establishing a comprehensive audit plan, selecting qualified auditors, communicating the audit scope to relevant stakeholders, and ensuring that necessary documentation and evidence are readily available for examination. Conducting the anti-bribery audit. During the audit, auditors will review documentation, interview personnel, and assess the implementation of anti-bribery controls. The focus is on evaluating the effectiveness of measures in place, identifying potential weaknesses, and verifying that employees are aware of and adhere to anti-bribery policies. Assessing anti-bribery risks. Simultaneously, anti-bribery assessments help us identify and manage risks effectively. These assessments go beyond the compliance aspect and delve into the specific risks our organization faces. By understanding these risks, we can tailor our anti-bribery measures to address the unique challenges we encounter. Continuous improvement through assessments. Anti-bribery assessments aren't just about compliance, they are about continuous improvement. By regularly assessing our anti-bribery management system, we can identify emerging risks, adapt to changes in the business environment, and continuously enhance the effectiveness of our anti-bribery controls. Responding to findings. No audit is perfect, and that's okay. What matters is how we respond to the findings. If weaknesses or non-compliance issues are identified, a prompt and effective corrective action plan should be developed and implemented. This ensures that the organization remains resilient in the face of bribery risks. In conclusion, anti-bribery audits and assessments are powerful tools for organizations committed to ethical business practices. Regular reviews help us to identify, address, and mitigate bribery risks effectively. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the critical role that audits and assessments play in our ongoing efforts to prevent bribery and maintain a culture of integrity. If you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.